Morning, Grandma. Great Grandma. Hi. From Florida. It's so wonderful out here. Hi. Did I say hi, Graham? Hi, Great Grandma. Hi, Great Grandma. Hi. Oh, we're so excited. Huh? How are you? Hi, Great Grandma Val. How are ya? Where's she in the camera? Hey. Where's Mommy? Hi. It's a beautiful day.
Where'd you go?
Oh, the hat ate me. Nothing fits my head. Boom, boom. Oh. Stand up here. Look how tall I am. I'm very tall. Woo!
Say, I can't wait to meet you.
Can't wait to see you. We'll be there soon. We're gonna fly on an airplane. Zoo. Huh. Woo! Gonna fly to New Jersey. You better be warm, 'cause it's warm here all the time. Look at my tap dance feet. I'm a dancer. Yeah, the dancer. Woo, sway. I'm a dancer. Look at my feet. Okay, bye. We'll see you soon. See ya.